On 1st of July 2020, an American Airlines Airbus A321, after departure from Phoenix, declared pan-pan, reported about open cargo door indication, and requested returning back.
Departure American 534, 3.5, climbing 8,000, and we're it's called pan-pan. Looks like we're about to go back to the airport.
American 534, Phoenix approach, roger, climb and maintain 5,000, when able, turn left, heading 110. 5,000,
wind to turn 110, American 534, and we have a open cargo door indication.
534, roger, thank you. You're cleared to Phoenix via radar vectors.
Radar vectors, 110, heading American 534.
American 534, you can expect runway 26, and you guys need to hold out anything for fuel, or you're going to be able to get right back in there for 26?
26, and stand by, I'm sorry.
American 534, speed is your discretion.
Speed our discretion, American 534.
American 534, how about, do you guys want to get right back in there?
To here for American 534.
Run offline real quick, American 534, when able, contact approach on 128.65. I'll give you some extended vectors.
128.65, American 534, thanks.
American 534, Phoenix. American 534, Phoenix.
Phoenix, American 534, 5,000.
American 534, Phoenix approach, roger. How long of a delay do you need?
We'd like at least a long downwind. We're pretty close to landing weight. We'd like to burn off a little bit of fuel.
Okay. American 534, roger. Climb and American 534, climb and maintain 6,000. 6,000, please.
6,000, American 534.
American 534 needs you to 534 vectors for spacing and traffic. Turn right heading of 180.
1,000, American 534.
American 534, turn right heading 290.
Right, 290, American 534.
American 534, did you need 26?
That'd be great. Yeah, we prefer 26, American 5.
American 534, American 534, turn right heading of 070.
Right, 070, American 534.
American 534, flighting 080.
00, American 534.
American 534, flight heading 100. I'm going to turn you back north on here in just a second, American 534.
Sorry, missed the last 534.
American 534, turn left, turn heading 350.
Left turn 350, American 534.
Thanks. American 534, I need souls on board and fuel on board, please.
Souls on board and stand by in the fuel.
Confirm you are ready to come in.
We probably for maybe 5 more minutes, maybe one more zigzag across. We're about 1,000 pounds over landing weight.
American 534, roger. Flight heading 350, maintain 6,000. I'll just box you around.
Sounds good. 350 heading 6,000, and I'll call it 4 hours of fuel on board. 168 souls on board.
American 534, turn left heading 330.
Left 330, American 534.
American 534, contact approach 120.7. They're just going to vector you around and bring you back, okay?
Thanks for your help. 207, American 534. Phoenix, American 534, 6,000.
American 534, Phoenix approach, roger.
And we're probably just another 5 minutes or so. We'll be ready to go back. We'll certainly let you know.
534, roger.
Thanks.
I want to know if it's a cargo door that's open, correct? Just one cargo door?
That's correct. We have a aft cargo door open indication. We're not certain if it is or not.
American 534, aft cargo door. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
American 534, turn right heading 040.
Right, 040, American 534.
American 534, turn right heading 120.
Right, 120, American 534. And American 534 is ready to be sequenced when you're able. No hurry.
534, roger, turn right heading 210.
Heading 210, American 534.
American 534, turn right heading 220.
Heading 220, American 534.
534, turn left heading 180, contact approach 128.65.
Heading 180, 2865. Thanks for your help, American 534. American 534, 6000, heading 180.
534, Phoenix approach, roger. American 534, descend and maintain 5000. American 534, turn left heading 09 or 0 vectors per final. American 534, turn right heading 170 vectors to final.
Right, 170, American 534, southwest down the airport's in sight.
American 534, thank you. American 534, descend and maintain 4000.
4000, American 534.
American 534, turn right heading 230, cleared pursuit approach runway 26.
American 534.
American 534, contact the tower on 134.85, 3485.
And 534, thanks for your help.
Sir, thank you.
American 534, Phoenix Tower. Fire command is available to transmit and receive on this frequency. Winds 120 at 6, runway 26, clear to land. American 534, do you require any assistance? American 534, taxi via Charlie, and then Sierra. I'm sorry, Bravo. You're on Bravo. Bravo, Sierra, you are cleared over purple.